1. Resting heart rate. Measure your heart rate first thing in the morning. A lower resting heart rate usually indicates better cardiovascular fitness. Measurement. Count the number of beats per minute, BPM, after waking up in the morning. Benchmark. Adults, 18 to 65 years. 60 to 100 BPM is considered normal. Athletes, 40 to 60 BPM. 2. 1 mile walk or run. Measure the time it takes you to walk or run 1 mile. Benchmark. For the 1 mile walk test, a good time for a 40-year-old male might be around 13 minutes. For a 60-year-old, 15 minutes could be considered fit. 3. Push UPS. Count the number of push-ups you can do in 1 minute. This tests your upper body strength and endurance. Measurement. Number of push-ups in 1 minute. Benchmark. For push-ups, a fit 40-year-old male might perform 20 to 25 push-ups, while a female might perform 10 to 15. 4. 3-minute step test. How it works. Step onto a 12-inch platform and step up and down for 3 minutes at a constant speed. Then check your heart rate during recovery. What it measures. The quicker your heart rate returns to normal, the better your cardiovascular fitness. 5. Chair stand test. The chair stand test assesses the strength of the lower body. How it works. Sit in a chair and stand up as many times as possible within 30 seconds. What it measures. This test measures lower body strength and endurance. Age considerations. This test is particularly useful for older adults. A healthy 60-year-old might complete 12 to 14 stands in 30 seconds, while someone in their 80s might aim for 8 to 10. 6. Sit UPS. Count the number of sit-ups you can do in 1 minute. This assesses your abdominal strength and endurance. How it works. Perform as many sit-ups or curl-ups as possible within a set time, usually 1 minute. Age considerations. As with push-ups, the number of sit-ups a person can perform tends to decrease with age. Benchmark. Men, 20 to 29 years. 40 or more. Women, 20 to 29 years. 35 or more. Men, 50 to 59 years. 25 or more. Women, 50 to 59 years. 20 or more. 7. VO2 max test. In a lab, you can have a graded exercise test to measure your oxygen consumption. This test usually involves activities such as running on a treadmill. What it measures. VO2 max represents the maximum amount of oxygen your body can utilize during intense exercise. Age considerations. VO2 max decreases with age, so the expected values vary. Fitness centers or clinics can provide age-adjusted norms. 8. Test your shoulder flexibility. How it works. Reach one hand over your shoulder and the other behind your back, trying to touch your fingers together. What it measures. This test assesses the flexibility of the shoulder joint. Age considerations. Younger individuals typically have better shoulder flexibility, but this can be maintained or improved with regular stretching exercises. 9. Body mass index (BMI). Calculate your BMI using your height and weight. Body composition refers to the proportion of fat and non-fat mass in your body. Maintaining a healthy body composition is important for overall health. A BMI between 18.5 and 24.9 is considered healthy. Overweight. 25 to 29.9. Obese. 30 or higher. 10. Waist to hip ratio. Measure your waist and hip circumference, and divide the waist measurement by the hip measurement. Measure the circumference of your waist and hips, then divide the waist measurement by the hip measurement. Age considerations. A ratio above 0.9 for men and 0.85 for women may indicate increased health risks. 11. Sit and reach test. This test measures the flexibility of your lower back and hamstrings. How it works. Sit on the floor with legs extended straight out, then reach forward as far as possible while keeping your legs straight. Measurement. Distance reached beyond the toes while sitting with legs extended. 12. Balance test. Balance is critical, especially for older adults, as it helps prevent falls. How it works: stand on one leg for as long as possible without holding on to anything. Purpose: measures balance and stability, crucial for preventing falls as we age. Benchmark: adults 18 to 39 years, 20 to 30 seconds. Adults 40 to 49 years, 15 to 25 seconds. Adults 50 to 59 years, 10 to 20 seconds. Adults 60 plus years, 5 to 15 seconds. 13. Measuring skifold thickness. A caliper is used to measure the thickness of skifolds at various body sites. What it measures: this method estimates body fat percentage. Age considerations: as you get older, fat can be stored in different places. Therefore, it is important to use the same measurement sites to track changes over time. 14. Timed up and go (TUG) test. How it works: stand up from a chair, walk 3 meters, turn around, walk back to the chair, and sit down. Time how long it takes. What it measures: this test assesses mobility, balance, and functional capacity. Age considerations: a healthy adult should be able to complete the test in less than 12 seconds, but this time might increase with age. 15. Tandem stance test, balance test. How it works: stand with one foot directly in front of the other, heel to toe, and hold the position as long as possible. What it measures: this is another test of balance and stability. 16. Grip strength. Use a hand dynamometer to measure your grip strength. Compare your results to age-specific norms. Benchmark: men 20 to 29 years, 44 to 46 kilograms. Women 20 to 29 years, 27 to 29 kilograms. Men 50 to 59 years, 39 to 41 kilograms. Women 50 to 59 years, 25 to 26 kilograms. 17. Stair climb test. Measure heart rate immediately after climbing a flight of stairs. A quicker return to your resting heart rate indicates better fitness. Benchmark: adults 20 to 29 years. Heart rate should return to baseline, resting rate, within 12 minutes. Adults 50 to 59 years. Heart rate should return to baseline within 23 minutes. 18. Plank test. Measure how long you can hold a plank position. This assesses your core strength and stability. Benchmark: men 20 to 29 years, 2 minutes or more. Women 20 to 29 years, 1.5 minutes or more. Men 50 to 59 years, 1.5 minutes or more. Women 50 to 59 years, 1 minute or more. 19. Wall sit test. Measure how long you can hold a wall sit position. This assessment measures your endurance in the lower body. Benchmark: men 20 to 29 years, 1 minute 30 seconds or more. Women 20 to 29 years, 1 minute 20 seconds or more. Men 50 to 59 years, 1 minute or more. Women 50 to 59 years, 50 seconds or more. 20. Functional reach test. Functional fitness assessments evaluate your ability to perform daily activities, which are crucial as you age. How it works: stand next to a wall and reach forward as far as possible without stepping or losing balance. What it measures: this test assesses balance and stability. Age considerations: the distance reached decreases with age, indicating a decline in balance and stability. Steps to take if you're not fit. If these tests indicate that you're not as fit as you should be for your age, don't worry. There are steps you can take to improve your fitness. 1. Engage in regular physical activity. Try to do at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic exercise each week. Also, do muscle strengthening activities at least twice a week. 2. Follow a balanced diet. Eat a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoid processed foods, excessive sugar, and saturated fats. 3. Stay hydrated. Drink enough water throughout the day to maintain proper hydration. 4. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to promote recovery and overall health. 5. Manage stress. Engage in stress-reducing activities like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. 6. Set realistic goals. Start with small, achievable goals and gradually work towards more challenging ones. Remember, fitness is a journey, and it's never too late to start.